The 2025 California wildfires have plunged the state into yet another environmental crisis, prompting Los Angeles to declare a local health emergency as smoke fills the air, deteriorating air quality to dangerous levels. In response, Governor Gavin Newsom has initiated an independent investigation to uncover why firefighters are struggling with water supply management, a critical factor in combating these relentless blazes. This development underscores the intricate challenges of tackling natural disasters and reinforces the urgent need for efficient resource allocation strategies to safeguard both human health and the environment.